Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome again with a very delicious recipe. This recipe is also learned from YouTube by my mom and we all like it very much. You will find the ingredients in the description box below. Let's start the recipe. Mix sugar and yeast in warm water. Now my mom added salt and dry milk in the flour. Mix, mix, mix. And added the yeast mixture to it. Now my mom put a beaten egg in it. Again mix, mix, mix. My mom is making soft dough by adding warm milk to it. Very soft. Yes, as much as you can see. Now my mom adds 1 tablespoon of oil and knead it well for 5 minutes. Soft dough is ready. Now wrap it and leave it to rise. My mom put butter in a pan and chopped onions. My mom said do not brown onion. And then add flour to it. Now my mom is going to pour milk a little by a little in it. After a couple of minutes, add black pepper, salt, hot spices and mix. Now add the boiled shredded chicken and mix well and cook for some time. Spicy part. Add some green chilli and coriander and done. The dough has risen and is very good soft dough. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Now this is the hard part. Yes, my mom glued the dough very well. Then roll it lengthwise. Do not make round bread. Now put the chicken that my mom had prepared on it and make a bread shape by making a cut from the side with a knife. I like to eat chicken bread at home after school. Apply an egg on it with a brush. And add some sesame seeds. Now put the chicken bread in the oven to bake it. It's ready. Now my mom adds butter on it to make the bread soft. You can make this bread at home one time and your kids will enjoy it very, very much. Look at this yummy and delicious chicken bread. It is very soft, and guys, believe me, you have to try it. I hope you like my video. Goodbye. Bye.